Hello everyone, hello my old subscribers and those who are watching me first time. This video will be super helpful. That's why I'm sitting actually with the just straight hair, because I will show you how I'm using foam rollers. I will show you my favorite foam rollers pattern, which actually I'm using for years. It's the basic ones, and you will just learn how to do this, and we'll just do this always, I think. I was already doing such video, but it was long about how what you need for vintage hairstyle. I was showing all my brush and then I was showing my setting pattern. So I will add it in the description of the video, but I wanted to make the video only with the setting pattern. So the foam rollers which I'm using actually for my hairstyle, mostly of my hairstyle, is 22mm foam rollers. Like, you need to try different ones on your hair. My hair, natural curly hair, and all my setting patterns I'm actually mostly doing on their dry hair, but right before I wash my hair. So like after washing hair, still have a lot of water inside, and it's really good taking a shape. So doing a shape. So but it need to be dry, my hair. But like a lot of people asking me, okay, I'm starting a long story again, but I want to say this before I will show that you need to learn how your hair working. Maybe better for you will be on the wet hair, maybe better for you will be like different other diameter, you know. So I'm just sharing what I know and how my hair working, but you need to find your own way anyway. But this setting pattern is basic how to curl. So I decided to make this video live, not like I'm always doing just telling nothing and showing. So I will do live. Maybe I will do some fast speed on their same, you know, steps, because I don't see the reason to show you more like long this. So first what I'm doing, I'm separate this part with my fingers. It's not important to do the separation ideal or something like this. So I separate this part, and this part will curl. I will curl it like the last one. So you just fixing it here with something like this. I have like this, or dumpy clip, and starting with these parts. If you like, I don't have a lot of hair, so for this part I need just one foam roller. But if you have a big volume and your hair is you have a lot of hair, you probably can use two of this. Foam rollers, I'm using 23 foam rollers. Not like I have 24, because two packages by 12, I think 23. I don't know, but maybe you will use more. And the others are like, I'm separate behind the ear, this part. Then I'm starting to work with my back part. Maybe I will switch, I probably will, but no, I will do like I'm doing, because I will only see myself. So I'm separating this this part for the three. And every part on another 3 levels. So now we'll start with this part, and here can be different options, a lot of different options, because at the back actually you don't have options, and all the second patterns that I was learning actually the same. But at the front you can use a different way of curling, and if you will watch my videos, or you've already watched my videos, you will see that for different hairstyle I'm doing different direction of this. But anyway, we're doing firstly here the middle part here, and this part actually every time the same. But I'm telling, of course, I'm showing my basic one. So for my basic one, I'm separate this part, or the three parts, like this. No. And just direction is like this. But it also can be like this, or like this. For my basic ones, I'm just doing this. You see. And the other ones, same. So how I'm curling my foam roll? As you can see already, I'm taking like from the middle or the third part of the piece of hair and just doing like this, and then only I'm rolling. And this is like more easy way, because you can't start rolling from the end of your hair, because it will be long and it will be uncurling, and so it's the best decision. And this part, if I will do my hairstyle with the middle parting, I will do the curling like here, for this on this side. You understood, right? I think. If I will do a middle parting, I will do like this, like similar like this side. But mostly I'm doing the side parting, and it's actually for most of the vintage hairstyle using that. So I'm doing on this side. This. So I'm curling from this side. And this one's the same on this side. So two. Again, you can have more hair than I. So maybe for you will be better to try more pieces of foam rollers. But you know, I was doing a lot of experiments with this, and I was trying to do, even on my hair, this part for example, I was trying 3 layers as the back, but I didn't saw any any difference in the result. So you know, so it's doesn't matter for me, for my hair. Okay, so I even have 2, so probably I used 22. I don't know. Anyway, so my pattern is ready. Wait, what is this? What is this? So my pattern is ready, and if you want to look plus minus more, I don't know, beautiful, you can use such scarf, but the scarf needs to be very thin because you will feel like I'm sleeping with foam rollers. So you can feel yourself very hot. Probably this is right word, I hope. So it needs to be some scarf which are thin and your head can breathe. Actually, there are even a special scarves for this, like from the special fabric. I'm just pick up which was close. So this is just simple. You can do, if you want, a bow, or any other thing, I don't know, like you want, something like that, hide the ends, and you can sleep like this if you want. And if you're sleeping very not calm, you are moving a lot, you need probably to use it, because your foam rollers can like move. When I need to go out at the day, but I need to keep my foam rollers, I'm mostly wearing some, using turban. I'm using the scarf, not home way like this with a bow. I'm doing beautiful turban, hiding this foam rollers inside, and or I can use a beret. If you have a big beret, you can use it and keep them. I hope you will try this tutorial. I hope you'll share with me your experience in comments. I'm very super happy every time when I see some comments that someone tried my tutorial, did my tutorial. I'm always happy to see them, and always trying to answer on your questions if you have some. So be free. Thank you so much for watching, and wish you all the best in your vintage experiments. Bye! Don't forget, please subscribe and like this video.